Let's say you have this bike and you want to do trial. Let's see how it goes in the slow speed. Check the suspension. Oh. It's powerful. I forgot to say about the fifth negative thing, that the engine cuts off.
Why? I wanted to ask you about that.
Because this considered to be a powerful bike. Powerful bike has lots of pressure here in the piston.
Okay.
This strong pressure needs some extra rev. The engine, the idle to go faster. So sometimes when you accelerate, this might happen.
Okay.
Strong engine, inconvenient, many times. And about another negative thing, is that in the city, it's not that friendly as you might think it is. But it goes a little bit like unfriendly in the city. In the woods, it rocks. What an amazing power!
What are you doing there?
What an amazing power is this!
What are you doing?
What an amazing power!